Tony, good afternoon. Mike Pugliese coming at you live from Prime Motor Cars, Prime Mercedes in Scarborough, Maine. Figured I'd do a quick personal video for you on the 2012 Toyota Tundra that we took in on trade. I actually personally took this truck in on trade. Customers from a little bit up north, northern Maine, purchased another Toyota Highlander product from us. Very, very nice car, and they had this for quite some time. Beautiful 2012 Toyota Tundra crew cab with about 86,000 miles. Just put on, Reed's taking a quick shot of those brand new Michelins that we put on. It got front brakes, obviously four-wheel alignment, oil change, and you know, obviously the full Maine State inspection sticker, so it all checked out. Body on the truck's really, really nice. Everything's in good shape. You know, a couple of little tiny little wave marks and scratches around the body, but as far as the overall look and shape of the car, frame, underneath, body, tailgate, the bed, everything's in really, really good shape for a 7-year-old truck with almost 87,000 miles. Take a peek here in the back for you. The back of that cab, those cloth grayish gray seats. Sits 3 back there very comfortably. Plenty of space in the back of a crew cab Tundra. And that front is a big cabin in the front, so a lot of room. Big, beautiful side steps there for the running boards. Really easy access. So let's hop in, get a closer look at the cabin. We'll do a quick little lap around the dealership for you. All right, Tony, so here we are inside the cabin of the Tundra. A great space, just a lot of room, and like I said, in this front cabin, and a lot of storage bins and compartments. There's one on the side here, a lot of cup holders inside compartment here, another flat level here, big cup holder kind of pull out tray here. It's kind of neat, you know, the kind of the access that it has with all the side compartments and stuff. You got one here. And then this whole seat comes up, pops up for a 6-passenger. So pretty cool how they have the truck designed. What I will mention is a lot of people are asking. It is the 5.7 liter V8, so it has the 410 gears, and it also has the 4.3, 430 rear differential, I should say. So it is the tow package. So you have the hitch receiver, brake controller, 4.3 rear axle ratio, like I mentioned, big class 4 hitch in the back, and obviously the tow and haul modes here on the transmission. So very you know, well-equipped truck for what it is, for what you're getting for the money. And that great 5.7 V8 that Toyota makes, it's just got plenty of power. And actually really good gas mileage for that size of a V8 in this truck. So I'm sure you've done your research. I just figured I'd give you a quick shot of this. Going around our dealership lot here, driving around. Truck ride's really nice. Still got plenty of life left. I'm sure you know the reputation that Toyota has, obviously, in the industry. So it's kind of rare that we have a truck 6-7 years old, 80,000 miles, for that $20,000 price point. You know, trucks hold their value up in New England, especially in Maine. And this truck's worth all of that money. So just wanted to give you a quick personal video. As I said, doing a little loop here for you, and I'll send this right over to you. Contact information will be on the email. I did send you the auto packet, and I hope this finds you well, and we'll talk soon on this truck. So thanks, Tony, for your inquiry, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.